Okay, next tool is here, corner tool. It's very simple. It's a simple setting. Select. You don't need to click. Just go over the point that you want to bend it and click and drag. Create a corner. And then it automatically go to the node tool. You can bring to the corner tool and then edit it again. Drag. You can do any corner. From here, we can change the fill color. We are not. These are common sitting in every tool. But from here, you can make it sharp again. You can make it corner again. You can make it any shape that you want that corner. And then at this point, you can change it. Or you can type exact number here. And if you are satisfied with this corner, you can bake appearance and done. And after that, you can these points are creating to the point, and you can edit them. But if you want again, if you use the corner tool, you cannot because you bake it. Again, you can click corner tool with this. So the corner tool is for bending the sharp angle anywhere in any part. For example, in here. So these are bending, and we cannot. So here we can. Oh, I think it's not going. Yeah, you can see it's not activating here because it's sharp. It's not sharp. Nice. So corner tool does not act here. I think we can done with this corner tool. Yeah, we can see. So we need a sharp corner. Something like this. And if you are satisfied, you can bake it. And if you want to come back, don't bake it. And for example, select the corner tool here. I think, yeah, we cannot do here. For example, this. And if you want, you can go and do your work and then come back. Select the corner tool again, and then you can edit it if you want. So you did not. If you don't need to, you cannot bake it if you want. Okay, that's the corner tool, and the settings are just this.